Hello guys, and today I'm going to show the comparison between the Acer Swift 3 and the Lenovo Ideapad 330S. So before we start the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get started. The Acer Swift 3 and the Lenovo Ideapad 330S are two premium laptops that you can buy on a mid-range budget, and for the build quality and specs they offer, it has a lower price than most. The models that we'll be taking a look at have almost the same specifications, but both the laptops have a difference in price, as the Acer Swift 3 is $600 and the Ideapad 330S is $500. I have praised these laptops quite often and for a good reason, but here we'll be comparing both of these laptops and we'll be assessing which one is the better out of these. In this comparison, I'll be comparing these laptops in these main categories, including design and build quality, display quality, performance and battery life. So without any further ado, let's get right into the first component, which is the design and build quality of these laptops. Build quality on both of these laptops is actually quite good, as both are metal designs. The case of the Ideapad 330S is made of polished aluminum, and this is why it looks very premium. Moreover, it is very rigid and can be carried with one hand without any creaking noises. The top of the display lid is also made of aluminum, and the hinge for the display and everything feels quite solid. The laptop is also very thin and light for a 15-inch laptop and has a smaller footprint when compared to most other similar laptops. Overall, this could very well be one of the best built laptops you can get for this price point. The Acer Swift 3 also has a full metal body that looks very good and feels premium. The laptop also comes in a few different colors, which is good to see, and pretty much every color looks unique and nice, and this is a thing that isn't available with the Lenovo. The laptop is also exactly almost the same size as the Lenovo and weighs almost just as much as it. Overall, it is difficult choosing between both of these, as both have great build quality, and it just comes to personal preference here, but for me, I like the look of the Acer Swift 3 more because of the different color styles. The next category here are the displays on both laptops. Here, there is actually a night and day difference between both the laptops, and one is way inferior to the other. The Acer Swift 3 has a 14-inch Full HD IPS panel that is capable of giving you a very good viewing experience. It has accurate colors and contrast, really good viewing angles, good sharpness, and really thin bezels as compared to last year. Because of the thinner bezels and better colors of the display, you get a much better viewing experience, and it is easily one of the best displays for the price. However, with the Ideapad 330S in this model, the display is way inferior, and here it is a 15.6-inch 768p LED panel, which is not up to par at this price even. The display has poor viewing angles, bland colors, and decent sharpness, and the only good thing here are the thin bezels, which give a better viewing experience overall. All in all, even considering the price difference between both the laptops, this round goes to the Acer Swift 3 for a better display by a landslide. So the next category in this comparison is one of the most important ones, which is the performance on both laptops. Both the laptops have almost the same specifications, including an Intel Core i5-8250U processor, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD on the Acer, and a 1TB hard drive, plus 16GB of Intel Optane memory on the Lenovo and the Intel UHD 620 GPU. Both the laptops perform mostly the same, with some differences in smoothness due to the storage, but both the laptops should give you some great performance in most tasks such as casual work, editing, and even a bit of gaming. The difference here lies in if you want more storage or a better browsing experience. With the Acer Swift 3, you get the SSD, which helps to smooth out everything, but you get lower storage space, and with the Ideapad 330S, you get more storage but at the cost of slower speeds. Overall, both the laptops perform great, and there is no clear winner here in this category. However, because of the low price of the Lenovo Ideapad, I'll have to give this round to it for the extra value. The next and final component we'll be taking a look at is the battery life on both laptops. Here, both laptops perform well when compared to the competition, but there is still quite a bit of difference. The Ideapad 330S will last you around 6 to 7 hours on a full charge with medium use, and the Swift 3 lasts an incredible 8 to 10 hours on a single charge, which is excellent. Because of the longer run time on the Swift 3, this one obviously goes to it. So the final verdict for the comparison is that even though both these laptops are excellent purchase and offer great value, you can get either of these laptops for different purposes. Both of them are good for any use, but the Acer Swift 3 will be all around better option, and for things such as editing and such, it is a better option for sure because of the display, and the Ideapad 330S should be great for any other use in which the display isn't a big deal, as it is also cheaper. All in all, I would personally go for the Acer Swift 3, but both of these laptops are worth getting. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.